Hey guys, welcome back to the Stevens channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out the fridge, doing a little fridge reset, disinfecting the shelves and just putting away groceries that I bought. So now that I got everything that I needed, I'm gonna go ahead and go home and start tackling the fridge. So this is the fridge before. So you want to go ahead and remove everything out of your fridge. I personally like to use the Clorox wipes with the lemon scent. It removes all germs and bacteria while giving it a fresh, clean smell. Then remove all the shelves and the doors and rinse it with cool water, and you can add some soap in there as well to get all the sticky stuff out if you have any. After you're finished with the fridge, you can go ahead and put everything back in so we can move on to the freezer. Go ahead and take everything out the freezer and just wipe down with disinfectant wipes, and go ahead and get you a warm washcloth or rag with soap and just wipe the shelves down to get everything up. So I just had my baby 3 months ago, so I still pump while I'm at work, and I just have myself a little stash for her to have while I'm at work. I like to use this stainless steel cleaner on my fridge, my microwave, my oven, and my dishwasher. It polishes it really nice and it takes away any fingerprints. Make sure when you're wiping with the grain and not against the grain for the best results. So this is the final results of me cleaning the fridge and the freezer. Thank you so much for reaching the end of the video and watching all the way through. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment if you have any suggestions or any questions. And I'll see you next time. Bye.